Alright, hello and welcome back to Replicube. Still got one more thing to do from this particular set of challenges. Strawberry. Okay, do these white dots have anything in common? These ones pass through. Let's take a look at the inside here. Oh, the whole inside is, of course, pink. Makes sense. I feel like I can else read this one at the end. So that means just make the pink parts, make the green part at the top. And that I should be able to do in at least a somewhat elegant way, right? Twos. So you can use a less than there, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna do the pink part first. I'm just gonna make a little cube in the middle. A pink cube in the middle. So that's a 3x3. If I'm gonna also do the dots this way too, in the same command. So let's see here. If x is less than or equal absolute x less than or equal to 1, and absolute y is also less than or equal to 1. I guess do less than 2, I suppose, what I probably should do. Saves a little bit of characters, right? Not a lot, one character. And absolute z is also less than 2. Return, well, outside, then return 4 in. I have made a mistake. It's right here. That's my mistake. So there we go. We got a pink cube. We're gonna need some dots on it. So we need 3 sets of dots. These ones I think I can maybe do together. Probably not, because I think I'll have a hard time not getting these ones. But let's carry on with the simple one first. Oh, you're so dark. Let show me the brighter side. And I mean, I could just run it all the way through, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try to keep my cycles as low as possible. And okay, so x equals, this one doesn't matter on x. Well, it does. We're just going to put it on the outside. So absolute x equals 2. And y equals 0. And z equals 0. And there we go. We got that one. Well, we need one more, of course. Or 2 more, if I can't figure out how to do this correctly. So I think it might help me if I just, wrote down the relevant coordinates. So that's 1, 1, 2. The 2 is on the z-axis. Not too worried about the z-axis. I know how to handle the z-axis. So 1, 1, -1, -1. Oh, 1, 1. Okay. Surely I gotta do something with that, right? They put them in a place where I think it's supposed to be easy. So last one, we'll take care of the z first. I'm trying to think. I don't think I can do this in one expression, though. I think I need 2 expressions. So I can do it, but they have to all equal 1. I can't do equals equals. That's not proper syntax. So let's say how am I going to differentiate them from these ones, though? By not using absolutes? Is that the case? Is that how you do it? Okay, this is going to get complicated. X equals 1 or X equals -1 and X equals Y. Does this work? I probably saw the parentheses with closed. Nope, I didn't. Well, that's a problem. Oh, I don't have to. This is ridiculous, right? No, that need. That's not gonna be right. Or is it? 'Cause yeah, I think that will be right. Well, that's certainly not right. But it didn't work. I saw the syntax error somewhere. What is this doing? I'm still making a syntax error somewhere. Oh. There's a missing or. I've still got a problem. Crap. And now it's hard to troubleshoot because we wrote one long line. As you see, there's a little line here. Oh. Where'd my then go? But there's a problem somewhere. Nope. Unexpected symbol near 1. Okay, that's this one. That's problematic. Man, it's getting hot in my apartment. I have to turn on the air conditioning today. What have I done? Oh, I can't see what I did wrong. That's a problem. Let's do something real fast. Just pull this out on its own. Just so I can see things a little more easily. I just need an if. Oh. Well, that hardly seems right. Oh, I pulled out the wrong piece of code, huh? Rethink that. Simple mistake by a simple man. Oops. And that's correct. I mean, I got what I wanted, but something's wrong with my longer statement here. I mean, it's usually just parentheses, right? Let's count all our parentheses. I mean, I just feel like I have the right number of parentheses. I mean, it works. What's the problem here? thinking was good. Syntax is bad, and I'm not seeing how. Because it works in isolation, but it doesn't work together. See how beautiful it is? Work of art. I mean, oh, it doesn't like me having this down here. Derp. Well, well, well. I actually think I could simplify it slightly by doing the green one first. I'm not going to bother with that. Oops, I just had some junk at the end. I didn't think that would do anything since it was after the end and then nothing else. But it did not like that. Well, there we go. Simple solution to a stupid problem. Because I should keep my notes somewhere else. So we want the top part now. So we need y to equal 2. So how do I do this? All we need to do is create a simple diamond. Zero, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. But you can't just have like 2s. That's not going to do anything. I swear there's got to be a basic way to do this. I don't know what it is. I mean, if I had to, I could just make a cross and 4 dots. That would be easy enough. But I gotta believe there's a better way to do this. But I'm not seeing it. Because, like, just like logically, but not mathematically, like, oh, it's everything that's 2 steps away from the origin and the origin itself. But I don't know how I would put that into mathematical formulas. I'm sure there's a way. I don't want to make 2 lines and 4 things, though. It's so gross. I honestly, instead, I could do a square and 4 dots, which is 2 things, which is better. But I swear there should be an easy way to do this without resorting to that kind of tomfoolery. But I can't think of it right this moment, so it'll be another one of those things where hopefully I can come back to it later. And let's make a little square here. So, and x, absolute x, is less than 2, and absolute z is also less than 2. That's not right, is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Forgot what I was trying to do there for a second. Then return, oops, return 11. Okay, so there's my square. Easy to see there. And these are all 0, 2s and 0, 2s. I can do that, right? Or I have to do 2 things for that too. I'm a little afraid that I do. This is gonna be ugly. Okay, let me try something. I'm gonna try something really weird, and I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Now I'm gonna need even more parentheses, nested parentheses, man's best friend. It's not going to work. I'm going to put stuff on these points as well. So I was going to try to repeat that with the z-axis, but it's going to end up giving me these ones as well. I'll show you what I mean. And I made another syntax error. Okay, parentheses not right. Yeah, there we go. That's what I thought would happen if I tried to do this. I don't need all these parentheses. I have too many parentheses. Yes, I do. This is what I expected to happen. I'm confused about why it's happening now. It's like, this is, I believe, doing nothing. Like, if I just totally remove this, we get the, well, no, we get even more. We get the full lines. That was doing something. But it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. Because of these ones. I need like a but statement. How would I just get these for? Because they're not all equal, right? There's 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. Are they all 2 zeros? So I could probably find a way to do that, actually. Because it can't be 2, 2. Okay. It's all 2 zeros. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this maybe a little less complicated, actually. Actually, I probably need to keep that part. Oops. Oh. Sorry. Messed up something there. And X. Does not equal Y. Or Z, excuse me. Somebody wants treats. And I botched it. I need more parentheses. And now my syntax. What's going on over here? Oh, I got an extra parentheses thing. Okay, I've messed up somewhere. Yeah, I need more. But I'm still not, I'm getting all the ones I want, but I'm still getting some extra ones that I don't want. I am getting all the ones I want, but I mean 3 extra bits over here. Now if I just copy this and put the Z's, this cannot be a good way to do this, can it? And I've created more syntax errors as usual. Oh, okay. And I'm just missing an and is what's actually happening. Oh. Oh, it doesn't quite work because X. What? 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 Oh, these. If I absolute these, then my problem will be solved in a truly ridiculous fashion. This is probably more code than just writing it out. I've messed up my syntax again. How? What's my problem there? don't understand why that's not working. What have I done? Yeah. I feel like... Oh, I'm missing a parenthesis at the end, aren't I? Alright, well, I don't think I'm going to win any awards for code size on this one. What a disaster of a... Alright, well, else. Return... Oops. Return 7. Oh, shit. I did not, I forgot to add something important. That belongs everywhere. And there's still something wrong? Whoops. Oh, shit. There's stuff on the bottom. Crap. Oh, I'm so close. But I need to put those 2 dots on the bottom. Stupid strawberry. And I should add that to my pink set. Kind of don't want to. I'll probably just write it in the other tab and copy it over. That's a... The y-axis doesn't matter. It's 0, 1, and 1, 1. And I don't see how I can do anything fancy with that. I think I just need to write them both out. So we're going to start with parentheses. I'm going to need the parentheses later. I'm just going to, once again, the y level has to stay constant. And let's see here. These are not absolutes, of course. X, we'll do the bottom, equals 0. And z equals -1. There we go. And, or, y equals -2 has to stay. I mean, I could put this nested inside there. Obviously, I could. Do I want to? No, I don't want to. I'll confuse myself. I already have too many parentheses, and I can't see all my text. Can I shrink the size of my text? Oh, that's how you comment things out? Oh, so you can comment things out. Okay, great. Not equals to. And x equals 1. And z equals 1. Okay. Let's see here. Where do I slop this garbage in? Or... There we go. This cannot be a good solution. I can promise you that. I think the way I dealt with the pink dots was okay. The way I dealt with the green has got to be really bad. But even the pink dots is probably pretty bad too. Doing specific coordinates is pretty rough, but I think I had to for the bottom because they don't have any counterparts anywhere. It's not like I can use symmetry to my advantage like I could with those. Well, I made a strawberry. It was not easy. No, that was the last one in the set, and that one was long enough that could be the whole video. I'd love to see. I forgot to get off my VPN and try to sign up for this again, but I can't believe this is any good. These numbers are both very, very high, but I don't have anything to compare it to, which still bums me out. So maybe for the next one, I'll do what I said I would do this one. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the strawberry. That's all I'm accomplishing here, and I'll see you in the next one.